I read your blog post about deciding to build in open. I have been working on a SaaS product around customer engagement and was really inspired by your story. What are the steps to keep in mind and while taking a product built for SaaS into open source project? Any tips and roadblocks to watch out for here? So yeah, I mean, thanks for the question. I think ours was kind of an accidental launch, or I wouldn't say we were really prepared to convert a SaaS SaaS application to an open source project. So it actually happened over the time when we figured there is a need for an open source solution or a self-hosted solution. So I think to answer your question, what are the steps to keep in mind? I don't think there is any particular formula or any particular kind of advice which I can give, but it's mostly around even if you are open sourcing, whenever you are open sourcing the project, you would have to figure out how to build the community. We actually talk to most of our customers who, or most of the people who actually interacted with the repo initially. We try to set calls with them, we try to talk to them. So we actually built a Discord community at which people can answer the questions. So over the time, in the earlier stages, we used to provide answers to all the questions which is happening in either in GitHub or in Discord. But over the time, it actually moved towards a place where the community would take care of the questions. Some of them were answered by the community itself. So one of the key things about building open source project is to build a community around it, having a set of people who are actually using it. So I recently read an article essay about 1,000 true fans. So basically you just have to create that 1,000 true fans, whatever the matter be. They would just be your own fans. You can actually build your business after that. So yeah, I think that's the only thing which I can share right now.